Select all the solar panels on the roof. When you select an element that is part of an object template, the whole template will be selected. Click on the File menu, BIM, Add Classification Comment. Select the Choose from the bsDD database button. Select ATIM from the drop-down list and type solar into the search box. This way, only those parameters will be listed that contain the word solar. Select the desired parameter from the list and fill in the values required. These parameters are added as BIM parameters to the object, which can be exported in documentations and EFC models. This feature makes communication between different branches of the construction industry effective and self-explanatory. We are now ready with the editing of the project. Start the documentation by creating an Excel list of the SMART objects assembly elements. In the file, you can see that the BIM parameters added to the solar panels are listed in the properties. Different tabs show different parameters and calculations.